Connive is a verb that means to secretly allow or cooperate in wrongdoing, often by ignoring or turning a blind eye to it. It can also mean to conspire in a deceitful or underhanded manner. Origins: the word comes from the Latin connivere, meaning to wink, implying the act of overlooking something suspicious. It entered English in the 17th century with its current sense of secret collusion. Explanation and usage: Connive suggests silent approval, or secret participation in dishonest or unethical acts, whether by scheming or by failing to intervene. Example sentences: the officials were accused of conniving with smugglers to evade taxes. By ignoring the company's fraud, the auditors connived in its deception. Cultural significance: the term is frequently used in political and corporate contexts to describe corruption, conspiracy, or silent complicity in wrongdoing. It often implies a moral failure rather than direct action. Synonyms: scheme: to plan something secretly, often for a deceptive purpose. Collude: to conspire or work together in secret, usually for wrongdoing. Abet: to assist or encourage an offense. Antonyms: expose: to reveal wrongdoing, prevent, to stop something from happening. Condemn: to openly criticize or disapprove of. Key takeaway: Connive describes secret or indirect involvement in wrongdoing, either by active scheming or passive approval. It conveys a sense of complicity and moral compromise. Subscribe